Good, good morning, student. Yesterday we completed question 1 to 6 of exercise 12.2. Question number 7 was deleted by CBSE board. Now see the question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by mean of 5 meter long rope. Means this is a square whose side is 15 meter. A rope is tied at this corner. A horse is tied with the rope 5 meter. So this is 5 meter. A horse grazing this field. Find the area covered by the grazing by the horse. So this angle A is 90 degree. So area of quadrant is 1/4 pi r square. Radius is 5 meter. So area is 1/4 into 3.14. Value of pi is given 3.14 into 5 into 5. So 5 5 are 25, 25 4 the 100, 25 1 are 25 or 10 35, 3 25, 3 are 75 and 378. Point this one upon 4. 7 1 ja 3 2 7 4 1 ja 3 38 4 9 ja 36 2 4 6 ja 4 2 ja 4 5 ja meter square. First answer is this one. Second one is the area of grazing. Increase in the area of grazing if rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. So now length is 10 meter. So it is 10 meter. So when rope is 10 meter long, so radius will be 10 meter. Area of grazing the field 1/4 pi r square 1/4 3.14 into 10 into 10. This removed decimal 100. This cancelled it. 2 2 ja 2 157 upon 2. 78.5 meter square. So increase in area is 78.5 minus 19.625. So 78.5 19.625. 58.875 meter square. Next question. Question number 9. That was the question 8. Now question number 9. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. This is a brooch in shape of circle whose diameter is 35 millimeter. A wire is also used in making 5 diameter. These are the 5 diameter. So it forms 10 parts. Find the total length of silver wire required. The length diameter is 35 millimeter. Length of 5 diameter is 5 into 35 175 centimeters is 175 millimeter, and circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Radius is 35 upon 2, 7 5s, 2 and 2 cancel, 110 millimeter. Therefore, length of silver wire is 175 plus 110, that is 285 millimeter. This is the first part. Second part is area of each sector. That was the first part. Now second part, area of each sector. So each sector angle is divided into 10 part. So it will be 360 upon 10, that is equal to 36 degree. So area of each sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square, 36 upon 360, 22 upon 7. Radius is given to you 35 upon 2, 36 10 ja, 7 5 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 11 ja, 11 5 ja 55, 11 3 ja 33 and 5 38 upon 4 millimeter square. Question number 10 was simple questions. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced assuming umbrella to be flat circle of radius 45. So, each sector angle will be 360 upon 8, and then we can calculate it. Also, question number 12, area of two vipers which do not overlap. Each viper has a blade 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. So, radius is 25 centimeter, angle is 115 degree. So, you can find area of sector. Question number 12 also, to warn ship for underwater rock, a lighthouse spread a red color light over a sector of an angle of 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of sea over which ship were warned. Angle is given to you 80 degree and radius is given to you 16.5 kilometer. So, you can find out area of sector of the circle. Now, see the question number 13. A round table cover with 6 equal design as shown in the figure. This is the figure. There are 6 design . You have to calculate area of this shaded part. This is A, O, this is center. If you join the diagonals passing through the center, each sector angle is each sector angle is 360 upon 6, so it is 60 degree. This angle AOB, triangle AOB form an equilateral triangle . Find the area of segment. Area of segment is equal to area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. Radius is given to you 28 centimeter. R is given to you. So, area of sector AOB is theta upon 360 into pi r square, 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28. 6 ja, 7 4 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 56 into 22, 22 6 ja, 132, 110 and 13, 123, 1 2 3 2 upon 3 centimeter square. Area of equilateral triangle side square root 3 upon 4. Side is given to you 28 square. Value of root 3 is given to you 1.7 upon 4. 28 into 28, 784. Into 1.7 upon 4. 4 1 ja, 4 9 ja, 4 6 ja. Three 3.2 centimeter square. Therefore, area of segment is 1232 upon 3 minus 3.2. 3 is the LCM. 1232, 1 divide 3 multiply with 3.2, 6 9 9 9. Now subtract it. 4 2 232.4 upon 3. Area of 6 segment. There are 6 segment. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 into 232.4 upon 3, that is 2 4 the 8, 464. Cost of designing. Cost of designing is 0.35 per centimeter square. So, total cost is 464.8 into 0.35. So, 464.8 40 5 18 19 3 8 are 24, 3 4 are 12 and 2 14, 3 6 are 18 or 1 19, 3 4 are 12, 1 13, 0 8 6 2 6 1. 2 decimal place this one, 1 decimal place this one. So it will be rupees 162.68 answer. So homework is question number 10, 11, 12 and 14. 10, 11, 12 and 14 of exercise 12.2. Thank you.